Every single morning, 40 tractor trailers arrive, carrying 3 million pounds of raw potatoes.
This factory only accepts specific strains of high-starch, low-sugar potatoes engineered for the perfect crunch.
Before a single potato enters the building, rigorous visual and algorithmic inspections begin.
A subterranean conveyor network transports the harvest directly toward the massive automated washing drums.
The intense vibration shakes loose all external soil, preparing the harvest for the intensive water bath.
Over 100 tons of raw product processed through these literal funnels every single hour.
The first crucial transformation happens inside the roaring cylindrical flume washers.
Inside the massive flume washers, thousands of gallons of cold water violently strip away the remaining field dirt. Water recycling algorithms ensure maximum efficiency without sacrificing absolute hygiene.
The cleaned harvest now ascends towards the most brutal machine in the factory, the abrasive peeler.
Centrifugal force throws the potatoes against diamond-coated walls, instantly sanding off their skins.
In exactly 90 seconds, the entire batch is flawlessly peeled, leaving only the pristine core.
The fully peeled potatoes are subjected to another intense round of high-speed visual scrutiny.
Potatoes with green spots or deep bruises are instantly violently ejected from the main line.
Only immaculate, structurally perfect potatoes survive to meet the slicing blades.
The heart of the Lay's factory relies on these 12 centrifugal slicing arrays.
Eight stationary titanium blades slice each potato into 70 perfect pieces in less than a second.
The slices are immediately submerged in a high-speed cold water flume to prevent catastrophic sticking. Thorough washing removes the excess surface starch, which is critical to preventing the chips from burning.
Extracted starch is captured, refined, and sold off to other industries, ensuring zero waste.
High-velocity air knives blast the slices bone dry, mere seconds before they hit the boiling oil. Uniform distribution across the wire belt ensures that no two slices clump together in the fryer.
The culmination of all preparation arrives: the 40-foot hot oil fryer.
3,000 gallons of perfectly calibrated, constantly filtered oil await the raw harvest.
Specialized mechanical paddles continuously submerge the floating slices, guaranteeing an absolutely uniform golden color.
In exactly 3 minutes, the raw, bitter starch transforms into the iconic savory crunch.
The frying oil is completely filtered every single minute, preventing the bitter taste of burnt carbon.
Massive heat exchangers react instantaneously to the thermal shock of the cold incoming potatoes.
Emerging from the extreme heat, the hot chips are completely saturated and highly fragile.
Excess oil removal is the definitive key to a light, crispy texture, rather than a greasy one.
The Golden River stretches as far as the eye can see, emitting a wave of immense radiating heat.
The Golden River now faces the most unforgiving quality checkpoint in the entire facility. A single overcooked or folded chip is blasted from existence before it can ruin a bag. Only aesthetically flawless golden chips are permitted to enter the massive seasoning drums.
An electrostatic charge ensures that the seasoning dust sticks instantly and uniformly to every single groove.
Whether classic salt or complex barbecue, the flavor application is automated to the absolute microscopic gram. After exactly 1 minute of tumbling, the ultimate chip is finally complete and ready to be bagged.
Massive vertical bucket elevators carefully scoop the fragile payload towards the soaring packaging floor.
The QA department analyzes samples every 15 minutes to ensure the exact acoustic crunch profile. The thickness must not deviate by more than 1/10 of a millimeter from the master global formula. Even human taste testers are backed up by chemical chromatography to guarantee absolute flavor consistency. A final scan guarantees absolute purity and total safety before packaging. Once cleared, the chips plummet straight down into the roaring heart of the packaging department. Late-stage shattering is prevented by specialized soft-drop padded funnels and precision timing.
The golden chips now wait in the weighing buckets for the final brutal bagging sequence.
The vertical packaging towers are the fastest, loudest, and most violent machines in the entire facility.
A specialized forming collar forces the flat film into an endless cylindrical tube of bright yellow plastic.
The supercomputer algorithm drops the exact combination of buckets to achieve precisely 150 grams. A massive blast of pure culinary nitrogen forces all oxygen out, guaranteeing the chips stay fresh for months. Running at 100 bags per minute, the machine becomes a literal blur of bright yellow output.
This specific production line alone fills over 3 million individual bags of Lay's every single shift.
Industrial tracking lasers burn the data directly into the plastic, guaranteeing infinite global traceability. The nitrogen pillow not only preserves freshness, but also protects the fragile chips from crushing during transport.
Robotic box formers fold rigid display cartons at terrifying breakneck speeds. A multi-axis Delta robot uses extreme torque to throw the bulky bags precisely into the shipping boxes.
The sealed boxes enter the fully autonomous and highly restricted deep warehousing zone. The algorithm builds an interlocking, earthquake-proof structure out of the lightweight boxes. Thick layers of industrial stretch film turn the fragile boxes into an impenetrable solid transport monolith.
A final massive barcode scan formally registers the completed pallet into the overarching global logistics mainframe. The sheer immense scale of the storage facility is required to house 5 million distinct units of product.
Advanced AI navigation guarantees that the massive robotic fleet never collides in the narrow, dark aisles.
When any supermarket places an order, the system retrieves the correct pallet from 50 feet up in mere seconds. A flawless, dangerous mechanical ballet directed entirely by the factory supercomputer network, without human eyes. Logistics operate relentlessly, 24/7, to distribute the fragile chips completely globally without delay. Each departing massive trailer leaves this facility, carrying enough inventory to endlessly sustain an entire massive city.
From the central nervous system high above, head engineers relentlessly monitor every vat, fryer, and packaging line.
Even a single fraction of a degree of oil overheat can instantly trigger an automatic massive shutdown sequence. Ground-level technicians constantly patrol the roaring, deafening floor, looking for invisible microfractures in the conveyor belts. Only decades of specialized experience allow seasoned workers to hot swap materials at visually impossible speeds.
Absolute unquestionable sterile conditions are strictly enforced. Biological contamination is a completely intolerable risk.
Every scrapped potato piece is carefully categorized for secondary recycling into massive future starch batches. Rigorous daily routine predictive maintenance prevents catastrophic, completely unacceptable million-dollar breakdowns. When the entire sleeping city finally rests, the beating, relentless heart of the massive Lay's factory burns furiously on. The complex autonomous slicing system requires only absolute minimal human supervision during the lonely graveyard shift. One solitary, highly trained engineer commands an entire massive army of autonomous steel machines until the dawn.
Millions of sealed, pristine pieces march endlessly towards remote packaging without a single pair of human eyes watching.
The colossal silos constantly drain heavily downwards, eagerly feeding the absolutely insatiable hunger of the night machines.
Even in absolute pitch darkness, the colossal factory effortlessly maintains its completely uncompromised clinical sterility. An eternal, wholly unstopping golden river of pure industry, relentlessly providing savory crunch to a waking new world. From raw, earthy potatoes to a flawless golden crisp, the massive, intricate choreography is absolute staggering perfection. Modern robotic, masterful engineering has brilliantly transformed humble snack making into a genuinely awe-inspiring industrial marvel.
One tiny, completely perfect, shiny bag of chips, miraculously born out of a staggering 3 million created today alone.
This mammoth facility stands tall as an undeniable testament to the truly staggering, unimaginable power of modern mass automation.
The golden, crispy river flows endlessly, relentlessly on, and the massive roaring machines will truly, ever successfully stop.